Hello all. In today's video lecture, we discuss about how to measure the op-amp AC parameter of the op-amp. Op-amp AC parameter measurement. In this lecture, we discuss about the measurement of slew rate and measurement of CMRR. These parameters will be obtained by applying the AC signal. That's why these are called as AC parameters. The figure 1 shows the slew rate measurement circuit diagram. It is nothing but it is a voltage follower circuit. Terminal 7 and terminal 4 is given the dual power supply, balanced dual power supply. Terminal 2 is short circuited with the terminal 6, whereas non-inverting terminal is applied 5 volt peak to peak 10 kHz square wave. Second figure shows the CMRR measurement. Now we will simulate first the slew rate measurement circuit. Circuit shows the slew rate measurement circuit diagram. Function generator, in which in function generator we have applied the input 3 volt 6 volt peak to peak. It is 3 volt peak means it is 6 volt peak to peak, and frequency should be greater than 10 kHz. So we applied the frequency as a 20 kHz. And we will observe the output on this CRO. If you double click on this and if you press simulation, run simulation button, you will get the waveform like this. So this is how you can observe the input and output waveform. So this is the input and output waveform. Red color is the input waveform, which is a square wave, and blue color is the output waveform. If you observe, it is somewhat a slope is there for that. So slew rate is defined as the maximum rate of change of output with respect to time. So output takes some times to get its maximum value. That's why we observe this slew rate. We can measure the maximum voltage, peak to peak voltage, using this cursors. So if you measure this, it will be directly, it will show you channel B 3 volt peak to peak, or you can say 6 volt peak to peak, and by time measurement you can measure the time. So if you calculate del V0 by del T, you will directly get the slew rate measurement. So this is how slew rate can be calculated. Now second, CMRR measurement. So make the connection as per the circuit diagram. Connect the power supply, apply the sine wave input 1 volt peak to peak 1 kHz frequency, and calculate the CMRR using this formula. CMRR is calculated as 20 log in bracket Rf by R1 into Vin by V0 dB. Now we will simulate this circuit on the multi-sim. So this is the circuit diagram for the CMRR measurement. Both input signal given the same signal, so that's why CMRR will be observed. CMRR is the ability of the op-amp to reject the common mode signal such as noise. So we build a circuit, and if you double click on multimeter and then press simulation, press run button, it will show you the output 9.432 volt. So this is the V0, whereas Vin is 1 volt peak to peak. You have to put this value in the formula, and you will directly calculate the CMRR. The formula is CMRR is equal to 20 log Rf by R1 into Vin by V0. This value is calculated in a decibel. So this is how we can measure the slew rate and CMRR, which are the AC parameters of the op-amp. Thank you.